Hey guys, and welcome to the Spanish Trail, where we start off our journey at Southern California and our end point at Santa Fe, New Mexico, where we travel through Nevada, Utah, Colorado, a little bit of Arizona, and the top of New Mexico, which is Santa Fe. So one of the deserts that we're in right now is Joshua Tree National Park, which is one of many deserts that we'll be passing through along the Spanish Trail. And animals we can find here vary from snakes, geckos, lizards, turkey vultures even. If you look on all these rock structures, there's vultures, even owls that live up there, which I've seen. And right here on the floor, you can even see these snake trails that pass through all the bushes. And another thing is that there are also coyotes here. So if you go further down that way, more rocky area, you can find bushes where coyotes usually sleep in. The animals that can be found here, Joshua Tree and across the Spanish Trail, we have tons of plants, maybe dry brush, or other plants that maybe take a little bit more water to grow. Right here we have the Spanish dagger, one of many. You don't find too many around here other than a ratio of other ones. We have white versige right here. This is to be found in abundances all around the park and throughout deserts and dry areas. Right here is Pennsylvania, a very prickly plant that small critters usually like to go underneath or to the stem, or maybe birds go on the top and they get away from predators. And the last one that I can find here is the creosote bush. This right here, the little holes around this. Snakes, prairie dogs usually like to hide in here to get away from predators or have it as their home. Also, coyotes like to come in this big bush, go underneath all this stuff because it's an easy hiding place, a lot of shade. So that's the last thing you're going to find in this specific area, and probably along the Spanish Trail. On this long and extensive trail. This trail started from 1829 to 1848. It was, and it is, 2,700 miles, and it was used for an extensive trade route between Los Angeles and Santa Fe, New Mexico. Alright, so right now we're in Utah. We're on the beautiful Green River right here. It's dried up just a little bit because of the droughts we've been having over here. We just passed the, Mojave River. It's a very beautiful river in Southern California. Now we're walking over to one of the lakes that this river connects to. And we have to be very careful over here because of all these coyotes in this specific area, and also the Native Americans that live here. So it's a good thing that we're armed and prepared. So in front of us, this beautiful lake is called, Lake Powell, a very big lake on the Spanish Trail. And if we keep on walking along this trail actually, if you keep going further down the Spanish Trail, you'll see the Mead Lake. It's also a very big lake on the Spanish Trail. A lot of Native Americans, a lot of animals use these lakes to get water, hunt for food in here. If we can take a look in this lake, we see lots of goose. Sometimes we see eagles and other animals that mostly the system. And there might as well be Native Americans if we keep traveling in there. As you guys know, we're across the Green Valley right now in Utah. And as I said earlier, there are many Native Americans in the area. That's why I'm armed. And hopefully we don't see any on this trail. Hey! Block you on!
Ay, no, señor.
Alright, so as I said earlier, these are the natives in the area. The people that usually like to walk around and live here. But we don't like them because they piss us off. But shot him again. But on to the next time. We're gonna go talk about mountain ranges in Utah, because there are a lot that pass through here. So, yeah. Hey, you over there. What mountain range did I just pass?
You just passed the Sandy Mountains, my friend.
Wow, thank you. What mountain range is this over here? It's pretty long.
This is the Rocky Mountains, the beautiful mountains of Rocky.
Hi, how many more miles across this mountain range will I get into New Mexico?
About 200, my friend.
200 miles? And I'm trying to trade some of the stuff in my backpack for some hefty cash. You want to go with me?
Sure, my friend.
All right, let's go.
Be back in my house in the store.
What? We just reached New Mexico. This is the border to go inside New Mexico. This journey has been amazing. There's also been many hardships, the loss of provisions. There's also been a lot of people that have died on this journey since it's been so harsh. But now that we're here and all the many beautiful things that lie behind this wall, I just want to say thank you for joining me on this journey. The Monroe Doctrine and Manifest Destiny planted the use of the Spanish Trail. The belief in Manifest Destiny that America should expand westward and the Monroe Doctrine, which aimed to keep Europe out of the Americas, indirectly affected the use of trade routes like the Spanish Trail. They encouraged Americans to explore and rely on such routes for trade as they sought economic growth and influence in the Western Hemisphere. Though those doctrines didn't directly control the use of the Spanish Trail, they had made it more significant for commerce and connections during the 19th century.
What the Sigma?
I made it to Mexico!
You are my sunshine,